So what's up everyone and welcome back to our channel in another tutorial. If you want to show a link after someone submits your Google form, you can add one directly to the confirmation message, and here's how. Firstly, open Google Forms and create a new form. Add your questions and any other elements you need, then click the settings icon. Go to the presentation section and find the confirmation message option. Enter your custom confirmation message. Include the website link you want the respondents to visit. For example, thanks for submitting, visit our website. Now save your settings, then use preview button to test the forms. After someone submits, they'll see your confirmation message. And that's how to add a clickable link after submitting a Google form. It's perfect for sending people to a website, resource page, or another form. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks like this.